Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to set an alarm using Google Assistant on Android. First, activate Google Assistant by saying, "Hey Google," or by long pressing the home button. Then simply say, "Set an alarm for 7 a.m." or whatever time you need. Google Assistant will confirm and create the alarm instantly. Now, if you want to set a recurring alarm, say, "Set an alarm for 6 a.m. every weekday," and Google Assistant will schedule it to repeat Monday through Friday. Furthermore, you can add a label to your alarm. This helps you identify different alarms easily. And Google Assistant will list all your active alarms. Additionally, to cancel or delete an alarm, say, "Delete my 7 a.m. alarm," or "Cancel all my alarms," depending on what you need. You can also snooze or dismiss alarms hands-free by saying snooze or stop when the alarm goes off. And that's it. Setting alarms with Google Assistant voice commands is quick, convenient, and perfect for hands-free scheduling. Try these commands and let me know how it works for you in the comments below.